Hey guys, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So today I made this video because this is something that's important to me. I am doing the work for myself. Not only am I doing the work for myself, but I want to apologize to you guys. I want to apologize to you guys because I wasn't being true to me. I want to apologize to you guys because God has been nudging me and the universe has been nudging me. First of all, I want to get this off my heart because I feel like I can't be me until I do. I am not religious. I am not a Christian. Okay? I want that to be first and foremost because if I lose people, that's fine. That just means that we weren't meant to be in each other's lives. And obviously everybody doesn't respect the fact that we have choices to choose our own spirituality. And so you guys know I have been on this journey and I'm still on it to this day. I'm still on it, guys. My skin, my body, everything is changing, and I'm getting more aware, and I'm getting more a clarity of my purpose and understanding me. I was me I was not healed completely. I was not loving me unconditionally. I wasn't. And it's so crazy because the video I did about strength and weaknesses came up a lot. And it came up a lot in regards to women not understanding or being a little offended by it or whatever. But it was resonating with me as well. I am weak in areas that I need to be strong. And until I learn that the universe is going to do whatever I set out, whatever I put out, whatever I manifest, it can happen. And I need to stop self-sabotaging and thinking that I don't deserve certain things and thinking that I don't belong in certain areas of my life. Things shouldn't be happening to me. I am learning to not self-sabotage. I'm learning to go with the flow because you reap what you sow. You get what I'm saying? And if you believe that, then why is it difficult for you to step out on faith and do the things that you know God is nudging you to do? I've been being nudged for years. I've been being nudged for years. This video is going to be on the CPR for the body. I'm probably going to do one over there on the other channel. But I'm not going to be coming live and doing too much over here. A lot of videos are going to be removed. And I do have a lot of footage that I did not get out to you guys. So I will make sure that my time is not wasted with those. But guys, I love you guys and I respect you guys. And I just want you guys to know that I love you no matter what you choose, whether you choose to unsubscribe or whatever. But this has been something that's been on my heart for years. And I just was really clever in the way that I responded to certain things, meaning that, you know, like with religion and stuff like that, I respect other people's beliefs. I respect other people's choices. And you can't get anywhere with life not respecting that because none of us are the same. So I am on a journey right now to heal me in so many ways. When I tell you guys that this journey has been amazing, to this day, I still have not put nothing in my mouth. The last day I had anything was the second day of the 3-day fast, which was 7 days ago. And I have been genuinely 100% giving my everything to this. I have genuinely been giving my everything to this. And at this point, it has awoken something in me here. It has awakened something in me here. My meditation has become so euphoric and beautiful. Not only has it become euphoric and beautiful, but my awareness, my intuition, the things that are occurring around me, is like, I cry so many tears of joy on a daily basis since I've learned to connect. You get what I'm saying? With the spirit realm and the universe, and all of us are energy. All of us are energy. Some of you may understand this, some of you may not. It's only for those who understand, and I can't apologize for that. That's where I am at this point. God said He's gonna give me who needs to be with me, because me holding back can have other people that are where I am or trying to get where I am or above looking like, oh, it was something I was supposed to say. It was something I was supposed to do. If you're not being true to yourself, you are not living your purpose, and you cannot touch those people that need to be touched by your life. You can't. You cannot. And I am done living for other people. I am done putting other people before me. I am done not loving on me. I'm learning to love every inch of me, from my toes up to the top of my head. I'm learning to love every inch of me. And that's my thoughts, the way of thinking, all of that stuff. I'm trying to revive that, regenerate that, and understand where and how I'm supposed to be working in this big world. With that being said, all I can say is I love y'all. I love y'all. But at this time, I need to step away and kind of say farewell to YouTube. My videos are still going to be there. I'm still going to load. I have tons of videos that I just did not release. Y'all seen them. I'm just still going to release those. I'm still going to release them because a lot of them are how-tos and stuff. But if you are new to this channel, I thank you for being a part of this channel. I have another channel. It's the CPR Vibe, and it is in the description box. I will be having my shows still at 8 p.m. on tloveradio.com. That is every Sunday, which is tonight. So I decided to do this video. That way I don't have to do multiple videos to get this out to you guys. I will be doing a show. It's going to be an amazing show tonight. Some great information. It's not going to be a long show. Well, I don't plan for it to be a long show. I just kind of let things flow the way they flow. So yeah, that's what's going to be happening tonight. And yeah, that's it, guys. My little thing is sliding on me. That's it. I'm excited. I'm excited about this journey. I'm excited to look back and see before and middle, and appreciate the middle and love on the after. You get what I'm saying? I'm excited for this journey. You guys know I want to get this weight down. I want to get my skin right. I want to get my mind right. I want to just get my whole body, mind, and soul all aligned. And I've been doing the work to begin the process. And I need you guys to know that. I need you guys to know that whatever may come, it might be a change of a whole channel name. It might be a whole nother channel. It might not. I mean, things are going to change. But God tell me to shh and just give you this, because I don't want you to think that something is wrong or anything like that. This is where I am. I am on my 7th day of awakening and learning to love me and healing my body. I need healing in my body. So yeah, that's where I'm at. And yeah, I just need to do this by myself. I need solitude. I need to withdraw. I need to do this by myself. I need to do this by myself. It is about me getting to know me, loving me by myself. You get what I'm saying? You have to love you by yourself. You have to appreciate every bit of you. And for those who are single, you have to do this process, because I said this to someone. I said, I would never want to present a broken gift to someone. If you are not healed and you are broken, or you were broken and never healed or fixed yourself, then you are presenting to you a broken gift, which is nothing that anyone can do with that. You get what I'm saying? It's like a burden put on a person and makes them feel a certain type of way. Be honest with yourself and realize you need to heal. Realize it is okay. I don't care if you're 50. I don't care if you're 60. I don't care if you're my age. You can still start over. You can still start over. As long as you have breath in your body, you can still start over. I am going to go deeper within me, and most of my videos are going to be on the other side, because it's not about the coin for me. It's not. It's about my purpose, because my purpose, God going to take care of me no matter what. Y'all watch. That's all I'm saying. Watch what's getting ready to happen. Watch. All right, y'all. I love you guys, and make sure if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And if you decide to come on the show tonight, It's at 8 p.m. sharp, tloveradio.net. The link is in the description box. And that is a melanated owned station, uncut, commercial free radio station. So yeah. All right. I will talk to you guys later, Gators.